lot of people look down on the microwave as a cooking instrument. I realize that it does get used to heat up frozen dinners in a lot of kitchens, but it can also be used to make really healthy meals and is a great shortcut to have. My mom made us vegetables using the microwave all the time growing up. She would throw them into a microwave-safe container with some salt, some water, and even some butter sometimes, and 2 to 3 minutes later you would have perfectly cooked cauliflower, broccoli, or carrots. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the microwave to prepare vegetables in a cooking formula I like to call the microwave and saute. First, we use the microwave as a shortcut to cook vegetables almost all the way. Today, we're going to use broccolini. And then we finish it by sauteing it with some garlic and some olive oil, which adds a lot of flavor and really makes the dish feel fancy and not like something that came out of the microwave. All of this takes under 5 minutes, so no more excuses on not serving vegetables with your dinner. All right, let's get started.